Hello guys, welcome to our channel Fun Plus Code. Today we are going to see about operators. Before getting into the topic, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, and if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to click the notification bell, then only you will get instant notifications of our future videos. Without making further delay, let's get into the topic. What is meant by an operator? An operator is a special symbol which is used to perform some calculations like mathematical calculations, including arithmetical and logical and so on. Here are some of the types of operators list. Arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, and these two are exclusively for Python. First one is identity operator, next one is membership operator. We are going to discuss about all of these operators one by one. Clear? First we are going to see about arithmetic operators. We all very well know about these arithmetic operators. Like this is used to perform mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo, floor division and exponential. We are going to see some of the examples using these operators, right? Now we can see some of the examples of arithmetic operators. Consider x equal to 6. Here x is a variable and 6 is a value. If you missed my previous video, click the I button and watch the video fully, because I was talking about variables and keywords and all, right? Now y equal to x plus 6. It will give you a result of, right, 6 plus 6 is 12. Next I'm going to tell you subtraction, like y equal to x minus 3. So x is a value of 6, so 6 minus 3 is 3. Next one is y equal to x divided by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2, right? Yes. In Python it will display result like 2.0, like it will give us the output as float, right? Y equal to x float division of 3. If you give like this, it will display result like this. Like it will display a result as integer. If you are using division x by 3, it will display result like 2.0. It will display float value. It will give you a float value. And if you are using floor division, double slash, it will give you a result as integer. Okay, next we are going to see modulo division. Y equal to x modulus of, we can say 4. So 6 modulus of 4. It will give you a result as yes. Because in division it used to take quotient. In modulus it used to take remainder. So 6 divided by 4 gives us a remainder of 2. Like 4 ones of 4 and it gives a remainder as balance 2. 6 minus 4 is 2, right? Next we are going to see exponential. Y equal to x double star 2. This is 6 into 6 because I am giving 2, right? So 6 into 6, 36. If I am giving x double star 3, it will take 6 into 6 into 6. So 6 has 3 times. Next we are going to see a second operator, that is assignment operator. Here are some of the list. Equal to is also an assignment operator. If you are using arithmetic operator before equal to, that is considered as an assignment operator. Okay, we can see some of the examples using assignment operator. So in the starting I was giving like x equal to 6, right? So this is also an example for assignment operator. Now we are going to see some of the examples using assignment operator. Here a equal to 6. A is a variable and 6 is a value which is assigned to a variable a. So I am going to tell you some of the examples. A plus equal to 3. So it will display result like 6 plus 3 equal to 9. Next example is a minus equal to 3. So now a is a value with 9 because a is updated with 9. So 9 minus 3, it is giving like 6. So now value of a is 6. So a divided by equal to 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2.0 as I said before. Next we are going to see floor division. A floor division equal to 2 because now a's value is 2.0, right? So 2 divided by 2, it will give you 1.0. Next we can see one more example. A modulus of, so first before that we have to update the value of a because a is holding 1.0 value. For that we can see a equal to 6. So now a modulus of 3, sorry, a modulus of equal to 3. Now it will display result like 0 because 6 divided by 3 is 0, right? Okay, we can see one more example. A equal to 9. So a modulus of equal to 4. So it will display 1, right? So here these are some of the examples of assignment operator. Next we are going to see comparison operators. Here are the operators. First one is equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. We can see some of the examples using comparison operators. Now I am giving x equal to 3, y is also 3. I am checking x equal to y. So x is a value 3, y is a value also 3. So it will display true. It will display true or false. If two statements are true, then it will display true. If two statements are false, then it will display false. Next we are going to see not equal to. X equal to 5 and y equal to 6. Now we are checking x is not equal to y. To display result like true because x is a value 5 and y is holding the value 6. Now we are going to see example for not equal to. X equal to 6, y equal to 7. So I am checking x not equal to y. Yes, x is not equal to y. That is true because x is a value 6 and y is holding the value 7. So it will display true. Now we are going to see example of not equal to. One more example. X equal to 7 and y is also 7. So I am checking x is not equal to y. It will display false because x is also 7 and y is also 7. We are checking x is not equal to y and we are asking for that. So it will display false because both the values are true, right? We can see two more examples. X equal to 7 and y equal to 9. I am checking x is greater than y. X is a 7 and y is a 9. So I am checking 7 is greater than 9. Obviously false because 7 is less than 9. So now I want to check x is less than y. 7 is less than y. I am asking 7 is less than y. Like 7 is less than 9. Yeah, true because 7 is less than 9. So it will display true. Next we are going to see about logical operators. These are the three logical operators. First one is AND, second one is OR and third one is NOT. AND is used to display like two statements are true, then it will display result like true. If one of the statement is false, then it will display result like false. Second one is OR. If one of the statement is true, then it will display result like true. If two of the statement is false, then it will display result like false. Final one is NOT. Basically, we are reversing the result. Like if a is less than 5, for example, if a is less than 5, if it is true, then it will display false. If it is false, then it will display true. Like we are taking not for that. Not of true is false, not of false is true. Wait, I will tell you some of the examples using this, then you will be able to clearly understand. Now we are going to see examples of logical operators. Here I am giving a equal to 6 and b equal to 7. Now I am checking a is greater than 10 and b is also greater than 10. A is a value 6, so 6 is definitely less than 10, and b is a value 7 and that is also less than 10. See what result it is displaying? False. So both of the statements are false. Now we can see some more example. A equal to again 6 and b equal to again 7. I am checking a is greater than 5 and b is again greater than 10. So one of the statement is true because 6 is greater than 5 but 6 is less than 10. So one of the statement is true but it will display result like false because both of the statements should be true. Then only it will display true in the case of AND. One more example for AND. A is greater than 5 and b is also greater than 5. So it will display true because 6 is greater than 5 as well as 8 is also greater than 5. So it will display true. We can say example for OR. A equal to 6, b equal to 8. I am checking whether A, that is 6, is greater than 5 or b is greater than 9. 6 is greater than 5, that is true, but 8 is not greater than 9, right? But it will display true because OR is used to display if either of the statement is true, then it will display true. Either of the statement is false, then only it will display false. We can say example for that. I am checking A is greater than 7 or b is greater than 9. It will display false because both of the statement is false. Because 6 is not greater than 7 and 8 is also not greater than 7. Final one is not. A equal to 5. Consider A equal to 5. I am checking not of A is less than 4. It will check first whether A is less than 4, whether 5 is less than 4. No, false. So it will take not for that. So not of false is true. We can see one more example for not. Not of A is less than 6. First it will check whether A is less than 6, whether 5 is less than 6. Yeah, it is true. Then it will take not for true. Not of true is false. Next we are going to see about bitwise operators. It is used to perform binary calculations between two numbers. Here number in the sense binary numbers, that is zeros and ones. We can perform calculations between two numbers using the following bitwise operators like AND, OR, XOR and so on. Here are the operators table. You can have a look at the table, but in this video I didn't explain with examples because usually we didn't use bitwise operators that much in our programs, right? If you guys want me to do separate video for this operator, that is bitwise operator, let us know in the comment section. I will definitely make a separate video for that. As I told before, here are the two special operators in Python. First one is identity operator, next one is membership operator. Here are the two identity operators. First one is Second one is not. Is returns true if both variables are the same objects. Is not returns true if both variables are not the same object. I will clearly explain about this identity operators in future while we are discussing about the objects. Second one is membership operators. It is mainly used in lists, dictionaries and so on. And here are the membership operators. First one is in and second one is not in. In usually returns true if a sequence with a specified value is present in the object. Second one, not in, returns true if a sequence with a specified value is not present in the object. As I told before, definitely in future we will discussing about list and dictionaries, objects. I will clearly explain about these two operators. As of now, it's okay to know that these two operators are available in Python and these two operators are special in Python. That's all about today's video, guys. I'm ending this video here. If you have any doubts, let us know in the comment section. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.